In this video, we'll look at 3 tags which help organize information in a clear and concise manner, making it easier for users to read and understand content. These are the list tags. Whether you're listing out ingredients for a recipe or the steps in a tutorial, lists are your go-to tool. When the order of the items that you want to list doesn't matter, use the UL tag, which stands for unordered list. When the sequence is important, use the OL tag, which stands for ordered list. Here's an example. This is a recipe for lemon cupcakes. It has 2 parts, ingredients, and steps to follow. The order for the ingredients isn't important, so an unordered list will work well here. This type of list is normally displayed as a bulleted list. For the steps to follow, the order is important, and so an ordered list will be used. This is normally displayed as a numbered list. Each individual item in the list is enclosed in an LI tag, which stands for list item. The LI tag is used inside both the UL and OL tags. Here you'll notice that you can nest a list within another list. You can do this for both unordered lists and ordered lists. You can also style your lists with CSS. Let's say that you want the unordered list items to start with squares instead of circles. You can do that by setting the list style property to square. Or maybe you would like them to start with a dash. You can do that by changing list style to list style type and give it a string. I'll use a dash followed by a space. For the ordered list items, you can change the numbers to letters by setting the list style type property like this. And there you have it. Experiment with different styles and make your list stand out. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and leave a comment.